You are applying coal tar as a measure to avoid
See, normally like we applied, do cold application. Since it was there in the stock, whenever we just
prevent any further infections or anything.
Not only that, it will not melt. Melting on top is good. Melting on bottom like will affect the tapping. See, normally we use 18-inch polythene. This is only 14-inch. So we don't have stock of it.
That's why. I want my so
we just
short.
Wanted to show it to you.
Yeah, fine.
So we keep all this. This is sufficient fill so that we will be able to lift it properly. There is no folding. No folding. Yeah, you see, like from the this thing, it is almost 6 to 9 inches from the point of tapping, so that the shell is also properly covered. So even if the wind comes, it will not go. But normally this is a little longer, is it?
Yeah.
This
4 inches more.
18 inch. Another 4 inches would not. Even while doing at the back, we just give a fold. So that it will stay like this only.
Sorry.
This fold is kept on inside. So if you don't keep that, it will be straight. Slightest of wind, it will just go.
So you're going almost the whole spiral, is it?
Almost. Only this small area is left.
Which area? From this little, no?
We started from here.
Yeah.
This is the area.
And you're ending here?
Yeah, ending here.
So that's small, very small.
Very small.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So that will always, for the wind, then it won't go off.
The important thing is the shell has to be covered.
Yeah, correct.
After the rain, it has to, wind has to go inside and dry it.
Yeah.
The second thing what we do here is like we'll do a application here also inside.
Yeah, right, okay.
The sealing is perfect.
Perfect then, no? Sure. Good. And this is, this sealer is, yeah, but I say it's called
rain guarding adhesive.
No, this type of sealant sometimes we get is hard. Here this is very
smooth.
Slight
heating is required.
Yeah. And you staple it.
Yeah, you staple it. Very late.